Racing just is started. Whereby will survive break quickly start rushing up now the outside is Stick Gold. I'm your boy also moving up. Manly then comes for Ever Young Northern Isabel. Counselor racing second less while Tricky Charlie's is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn we have Stick Gold by about 4 lengths. And in second is I'm your boy Northern Isabel is racing in third. Manly alongside fourth. Then next on line is Forever Young Counselor I Will Survive, while Tricky Charlie is still running at the tail of the field. Half mile distance they traveled. We have Stick Gold by about 6 lengths. I'm your boy in second, Northern Isabel, and on the outside Manly, Forever Young Counselor, Tricky Charlie second less, while I Will Survive now running at the tail of the field. And the fourth turn where is Stick Gold by about 4 lengths. I'm your boy remains in second. Manly comes next. Northern Isabel, Counselor, Forever Young, Tricky Charlies, while I Will Survive is still running at the tail of the field. And Diana entering the home stretch. Where is Stick Gold this time by about 8 lengths. I'm your boy remains in second. Last 100 meters we have Stick Gold now saying come catch me if you can this time by about 6 lengths over I'm your boy, and finally Stick Gold. I'm your boy, Tricky Charlie's, Forever Young, Northern Isabel.
78241.